it stops that friction of the customer buying from someone else.
The reason why they're buying those together is because on both of those pages under the frequently bought together, those two are being connected.
I'm pulling this up because I always love using balloons. It seems like every balloons listing has some use case, and so I use it for every example ever, but this is how it shows up. So imagine that this is pretty much every single one of these different colors all together. So imagine each one of these colors is a different one of your products, right? This is the bundle variation of all of your different products together, where simultaneously, we also would still be having different variations here of each one of your individual products as well. So people would still be able to buy all of the different individual single packs of this, but then on top of that, they can buy the bundle pack of all of the singles. Does that make sense?
Yep. Realistically, we're adding one SKU that has, I'm just going to throw out 5 different of our refill products, and we call that a bundle. And then we can show a variation that shows each individual product that makes up that.
Exactly.
So they can buy one of this, one of that, and one of another.
Each color will be a refill pack, and all the colors together would be the bundles that we create based on the market data that we have, the market basket analysis data.
Making one new SKU.
If you only need the green, blue, and gold balloons, it's all right there at the same time to purchase rather than having to potentially lose out on that sale from them searching, let's say a bleed kit and then a burn refill kit. When they buy your bleed kit instead and then search for the burn refill, they could technically buy someone else's. Whereas in this case, it stops that friction of the customer buying from someone else.